As a tourism authority, as Durban Tourism, as a tourism industry and the sector of tourism as regulated by the National Tourism Act, it's important that we position the tourism as a catalyst to local economic development. And government is creating an enabling environment, and it cannot promote and drive tourism on its own.
We gathered here in Claremont to reintroduce Durban Tourism as a tourism department in the eThekwini Municipality, and also to introduce a community tourism organization that exists in the area to the local leadership so that we garner support that we need for our tourism mandate. That's one. Secondly, we come here to share the legislative framework and the legal framework that provides for the establishment and even the governance of these kinds of organizations.
There's many different pillars, where including the community tourism organization pillar, whereby government together with private sector, they get together in terms of advancing and developing the objectives of the tourism development within the communities.
As Economic Development Committee, it's much important to support each and every program that has been made by the CTOs, and it assists us a lot going down to the community with CTOs.
I think the CTO programs are the ones that are bringing the society together in all aspects. It is helping the community to integrate in all perspective and what they think. It is bringing the economy right direct to the heart where it's supposed to be.
The key part of a goal that we are going to achieve out of this platform is creating synergies. We spoke about IDP. We need to start putting our programs towards the municipality, talking around the issue of ground development within the IDP of a city. We'll be able to do that.
Usuku namhlanje belumnandi kakhulu because belukwazi ukucacisela abantu about iClaremont KwaDabeka tourism development ukuthi kahle kahle isebenza ini, because abantu abaningi mhlambe bebangazi ukuthi kusetshenzwana la. Namhlanje kuye kwabekwa kahle kwacaca.
When you look at the special development framework, ukuthi iClaremont sifisa ukuthi ime kanjani seyiphupho amabhizinisi azobakala yini ezobakala sonke lesi sikhathi most of the time abantu abaparticipate uzwa sekuthiwa noma sifuna ibhizinisi ibe. But when you look at the special development, it's not there. But the specificity being ala mase SDF ayikhulumi leyo. So I encourage abantu abaparticipate bona ama process omkhaya.
Ngikujabulelile futhi ukuthi kube khona zonke izakhiwo from province to la kugcine khona ukuthi kucace ukuthi i-tourism ebantwini ikhona iyadingeka.
Ngilana ke njengomuntu ke orun i-co-op iThonga, iDurban Tourism ngoba sengisebenze nayo isikhathi eside. Isengakhile ngakwazi ukuzimaketha uzigcine sowuphumelela. Ubangabe kungenjalo bengeke nibe nama members awu 100, then labo members wonke anama companies wawo asawa registered.
The plan is clear, and now it demonstrates the execution as it's been a success. Today it's our third day, our third roadshow in the township, the third township in Claremont, and the attendance is brilliant. The content is brilliant. Also the participation of the province, because that becomes the fundamental of the content at which it becomes the backbone of the subject matter around sharing the information of the fundamentals of CTO existence.